this morning. What an absolute stunner of a sunrise. I'm heading up the northeast peninsula of Cyprus today, so hopefully I'll catch some more sunrises like this. The size these crabs must be. Oh. Good night, then. Looking for wine, but I'm out of luck for an affordable red. Vodka is half the price, and then slightly alarmingly, you have this right next to the drinking alcohol. It's been a while since I've had a day like this. Ride 30 kilometres, eat something, ride another 30 kilometres. I think if I get far enough today, there's some tombs that I can check out. Otherwise, it's just nice zooming along this flat peninsula. Oh dear, it was a very spiky beach I camped on. Oh. Bother! That's a 2. Oh, I'm nervous now. Fortunately, I generally only use 2 tyre levers to get a tyre off, but now I guess I don't have a spare. Hello. So because I'm a pro at this now, I've marked where the cog is and which side of the tyre. So I know it should be at about 2 o'clock on the side of the cog, and bingo. I think I found it even before taking the tyre off. Sorted. So I'm leaving the place nice and tidy, which is worth pointing out because I just got into some trouble for fixing my puncture in the mosque. When the call to prayer rang, one of the 3 men that came down took offence to my repairing the puncture here. He said that if he were to do the same at a church, that he would be murdered, is what he reckons. I'm interested to hear any Muslims watching, if fixing a tyre here is inappropriate, then obviously I wouldn't do it again. I was counting my lucky stars because I'd come down here to fill my water bottles up, and it was here that I noticed I had a puncture, and having access to running water is a great benefit in finding the hole. So I thought, what a fantastic place to fix my puncture. But again, if it is culturally inappropriate, then let me know and I will not do it again. That grumpy man has driven me to drink. Let's try some Turkish stuff. Pomegranates, lemons, oranges. Found some Wi-Fi and place to charge my power bank, and there was some really good looking kebabs cooking. Got brought a free tea despite declining the offer of a tea. Still get tea. Really good kebab and an absolute bargain as well. Merhaba. Turkish tea remains too strong for me, but at least I found a way that I can enjoy it without milk, without loading it with sugar. There are some 5th century BCE tombs cut into the cliff over here, but it's a bit of a hike and it's really too late in the day for that, sadly. Found a tomb on the map that is closer to the road, but it was a bit of a sweaty climb up here, so better be worth it. I don't really understand how, because I'm still on the same side of the peninsula, but I seem to have missed quite a nice sunset on the same side of the peninsula as I just watched sunrise this morning. Curious. It's been a tough day. Let's see if a bit of Turkish wine can end it on a positive note. Swirl it in my Budweiser World Cup mug. That's very drinkable. There's nothing wrong with that for 150 lira. Cheers.